6-2, shots fired, subject just shot at me. Shots fired, subject is shooting.
Shots fired, suspect is shooting at our unit.
6-2, I do not return fire. There's a car coming up. I don't use it. It's behind my target. We are still proceeding at 120. Shots are fired. The passenger shot the rounds with a 1911. It looked like.
Passenger fired as unit. He did not return fire.
Okay, we got light traffic now. 6-2 Santa Fe. Get a hold of state police, see if their helicopter up or Albuquerque Police's helicopter's up. And check with BCSO. Get me a helicopter.
Shots fired again.
Got 4 more rounds at me. 85. Shots fired again. Continues to shoot. Continues to more shots fired. Continues to shoot. I think I have a couple rounds to my vehicle. 80 on 10-4 or Santa Fe on 10-4. Continuing 124. Yeah, 10-4, it is the passenger. Driver has not fired. Passenger out the passenger window. Fired at me several times. Return fire. It is a deadly force situation. On the last round, citizens were passing. Citizens were passing him when he fired at me, putting them in danger as well. Does not have due regard for the public, is a danger. More shots fired. He's out the window shooting again. Return fire this time. Return fire. Vehicle slowing down. Vehicle shooting from the back window now. He's shooting from the back window. Vehicle almost 45 down. Returning fire.
45 returning fire.
shots fired. Multiple shots fired. Still shooting us from the back window. Returning fire.
Back window.
Returning fire. Hey, I'm gonna need some more 223 rounds up here. Okay, vehicle's about 45 out. Stand by. Vehicle is now on the wrong side of 285. 285. Alright, now he's back over. Okay, he's about 45 down. 45 down. Family stop. Family stop.
Still stop. 45 out.